We'll begin shortly. We just want to wait some few people. They can join all together. Today is going to be a really interesting topic that we will share today. Okay, let's get started. So today we will talk about a little bit different topic about what we have shared in the past. Uh, it's going to be talking about the deepfake, the things, and what is our solutions that we want to protect it and prevent it to using our solutions. But before we get started, a little bit intro ourselves. Hey guys, this is Michael Jung from DeepBrain AI.
And my name is Nick. I'm on Michael's team, and we're very, very excited to share this topic with you. This is such an interesting topic. So, yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, today's topic is DeepBrain AI fighting deepfakes. So before we get started about the deepfake detection today's solutions that we are going to talk about, well, a little bit brief about who we are and what is our solution that currently we are really main focused. It is, you guys will really know that we are supporting AI studios. AI studio platform is the text to video solutions that any of people or users allows to create the video without filming a real person, just input a script, output video. And we also have the real-time conversations that AI avatar can engage with people, like giving the experience like you're talking to a real person. So that is what we did for 4 years that we really mainly focused to support our enterprise to our um, B2C customers. And we think this is really great tools that we also get have many of positive feedback. But we kind of seeing that some people somehow like the AI solutions can be used in the wrong way. So while generative AI offers easy creations of videos and audios and image, are they solutions to address the potential risk it poses? Like in the other hand, the AI, for example, like can create the video speed and scales. Also, like you don't need necessarily have to film yourself to create the videos.
Mm.
Avatar to talk with people, but at the same time, we're seeing sometimes the news like, well, today we're gonna share about all that the dark side of the negative things, like how this AI solution can be misused and abused. That's seeing like face swap videos, um, like AI voices that was generated and do like scams. There are some negative, right, Nick?
Yeah, it's crazy how quickly this has kind of popped up in popular culture. We'll see about 5 or 6 different examples today, but there just know that there are many more. And of course, if you have any questions about them or how you can kind of combat them, we're always here to talk about it.
Right. So today I'm going to share about the bad things about this AI solutions can be used. One is the AI video, deepfake or face swap videos. The second one is AI voice, text to speech of the bad cases, how it can be used, and also the image. So yes, we are currently exposing in the deepfake exploitations. And this is kind of example that today we will share today. The first one, hey Nick, can you go to explain this?
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys are familiar with popular YouTuber Mr. Beast, but Mr. Beast is one of the largest YouTubers around. And about 6 months ago, maybe, there was a fake video of Mr. Beast on TikTok claiming that anyone could get an iPhone 15 Pro for $2. Now, I don't know about you, but that seems like a great deal. And especially if it was promoted by Mr. Beast, I might actually take it a little more seriously. But we'll see if you can tell if it's true or not. So we'll see. The audio is not playing right now. Let's go ahead and try that again. 1 second. Add that, and we're going to present it. Here we go. All right.
You're one of the 10,000 lucky people who'll get an iPhone 15 Pro for just $2. I'm Mr. Beast, and I'm doing the world's largest iPhone 15 giveaway. Click the link below to claim yours now.
Nick, can you hear the sound?
Yeah, we can hear the sound, and that was
Okay,
that
great.
was pretty realistic, as you could see.
Well, yeah, I mean, I even didn't know like that was kind of deepfake videos. It's gonna be really hard. Like once the other, once the AI solutions, for example, creating the video, it's gonna be keep advancing. At the same time that that people of their eyes is gonna be pretty challenging to whether to they can distinguish whether that is real or that is fake. Don't you think?
Yeah, I think so. I think that it's definitely going to be challenging. Like I said, I think just being somewhat of a fan of Mr. Beast, it might have gotten me had I not really been keeping a close eye on it. If it just come up in my TikTok, I'd be like, huh, okay, but
Right. And is this just going to be $2 for getting the iPhone 15? So why not, right? Just giving fill it out all the informations. So that is
yeah,
how like this can be in the wrong way. The AI video can be used, especially in the celebrities.
cool.
And the other one we want to share about the deepfake image, the how this can be used in the wrong way. And Nick.
Sure. So back in the beginning of this year, there were some images, explicit images shared of Taylor Swift online. She was getting very popular. Her Eras tour was, the rage of the town. And some Twitter users or X users took to themselves to create explicit images. And so we'll share a little bit about this, but you'll know that Taylor Swift is now one of the best and biggest advocates for detecting and defending against deepfakes because it's happened to her.
All right.
Taylor Swift fans are rallying to her defense after explicit, doctored images of the superstar went viral. The deepfakes were made by artificial intelligence, and then they were shared on X and other social media platforms, and that sparked a wave of outrage and calls to tighten rules on AI. Can that be done? Kara Frederick, the Heritage Foundation's Director of Tech Policy, joins me now. What I wanted to
Yeah, I mean, those kind of things is really painful. Like using in the wrong way that especially in the celebrities who's famous people is always kind of the target.
That's very true. You think that people with a lot of money and a lot of influence would not be these kind of the victims of these crimes, but even like a few months ago, Taylor Swift was targeted again because she endorsed a political candidate and
Right.
said that she hadn't actually endorsed the political candidate. So it's really out there. It's really out there.
Right. And that is the thing is like if the celebrities especially um really some kind of catchy those kind of the titles, all the people are kind of interested. They want to look at it or want to read that news, right?
Yeah, of course. So.
But this is the another case, and it is about the AI voice. And Nick, can you also share this about?
Of course. So there was again X seems to be coming from X, but there was a audio political campaign parody, if you will, of Kamala Harris saying some things that she never said. And of course, it was kind of shared as like a joke parody, but this close to the election with Kamala's actual voice saying things that she didn't say, well, yeah, that could definitely change people's perspectives on the candidates. So we'll share this case really quickly as well.
As many predicted, the use of AI is already threatening the integrity of the election. Most recently, Elon Musk shared a generated video mimicking the voice of Vice President Kamala Harris. The post makes it seem like Harris said things she actually never said. ABC 7 News reporter Tim Johns is here in studio with more on these dangers. What's being done about it, Tim?
Yeah, almost since Musk shared the post on X on Friday, it's been viewed over 100 million times. And while he clarified on Sunday that it was satire, experts in the field argue carelessly promoting content like this damages election integrity throughout the entire country.
I, Kamala Harris, senior Democrat candidate for president.
This fake artificial intelligence generated video of Kamala Harris has been widely viewed online since being shared on X by tech billionaire Elon Musk. The clip, to which we added this disclaimer, used a cloning tool to copy the voice of Vice President Harris and pretend she's saying things she's actually never said. The video has renewed concerns over the use of AI in politics and has gotten the attention of several Bay Area lawmakers.
Wow, that's pretty creepy.
As many predicted,
It is, and she said it was shared like over 100 million times. Just imagine, we're seeing this because it's Kamala Harris and she's a huge politician, but imagine how many other clips and of audio of people are just being shared every day that we don't recognize because it's not Kamala Harris.
Right.
So yeah.
I mean, especially the AI voices nowadays is so easily to clone the personal voice. Just need like maybe 20 seconds of voice data. Of course, all the AI platform currently they are enhancing how in the security part and also being more strict to get the consent that this is their own voices.
Yeah, of
But
course.
still, there are the risk is so many risks out there, and it's also can be me or you too, Nick. And
Yeah.
what we're saying is, what we shared is we just are shared about like celebrities and politicians, but there's another questions. Is the harm from generative AI video, voice, and image is really only limited to celebrities and politicians?
And I'd say no, but let's see
Oh,
why.
let's see why. And this is really, really sad one. And it's really hurt things too. And it's gonna be happen to our neighbors, my family, my sisters. And what do you think, Nick? Can you share about a little bit this about?
I mean, yeah, it is a sad case. We've seen high schoolers and younger children being kind of the victims of deep crimes as well. So this teen girl, she was the victim of explicit images being shared throughout her school, and not only is that illegal, and not only is that hugely damaging to the person in question, but you have to imagine that with how easy it is, it's just really hard for these people to live their lives. So we'll share a little bit of this example now as well.
How was the math test? Yvonne Mede's first priority is being a mom. So a particular New York Times article shocked her.
About a 15-year-old girl whose life had been devastated by a non-consensual image of her that was nude.
That image was what's known as a deep fake, a picture that may be created with a real face, but using artificial intelligence to make a fake body.
When I read it, my own daughter, who's now 16, I thought to myself, this would be horrible.
Mede happens to be.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
go ahead, Nick.
Oh, I was just gonna say, I see in our comments people are already saying that you shouldn't put your children's images online, and you shouldn't have to worry about that. You really shouldn't have to worry about that, but that's
Right.
true.
Yeah. So we'll tell about the cases about the videos, image, and voices. Was the deepfake being misused across the various field? And regulations is lagging behind. It's true. So advanced detection solutions are becoming crucial to prevent their impact before it happens. What we think. And Nick?
Ounce of prevention worth a pound of cure, of course. So we highly believe that.
So we now that is the background. We wanted to build this AI detector, and I'm going to show the demos how it works and how we want to prevent it for people, whether they watching that video, image, or voices, and also to make the balance. So one thing that we can do is multi-platform monitoring. So there are so many channels that you guys can get the news and videos and articles in the voices and image. It could be TikTok, X, Meta, for example, Facebook's, and YouTube. We can monitoring and we can crawling those videos to our platform, and we can give you the result whether that is the fake or real. And we can do for 24/7 real-time detection capabilities. And we also giving the report to the customers.
Yeah.
So how we build this, we have the high performance deepfake detection models that build on the large scale training data, utilize the latest neural network architectures, and enhance overall performance with continuous improvement. The one thing is that we also can build this, the AI detector, is because we have a lot of the video and voice data when we want to clone a real person. So we pair that data and then we do the data labeling, the names, and do the machine learning. So that is also one of the other advantages that why we can build this AI detector. And also we have the largest deepfake data set as well. So now I will show how this AI detector is going to be work. So the first is, I didn't can recording one, but the first is you have to register a person who you want to detect it. And as you can see on the very right top, on the corner, there's a YouTube and TikTok and adult deepfakes. So once we registered one person's and we crawling that any of each channels who've been used in that person of name, and then we crawling to our platform and see crawling out the videos and image and everything. And once we get that video data to our platform, when you click it, you can see whether that is fake or whether that is real. And you click that on that URL where that is in the channel, you also can see what that video looks like. And you can see this one is also, you can see another one. This is, and you can click the original link. And we keep crawling from the different source of channels. And you can see there's real videos and there's the fake videos. And you, like I said, if you click the original link, it will go to that channels. And this is the adult deepfakes, like those video, the website that is also make many those celebrity faces was making those adult videos. And a video opinion analyst is like, of course, if that is fake, it doesn't really matter. But even that is the real video, we also giving the insight about what is the content about and what is the feedback from the audience after they watch that videos. And this is more auto crawling AI detector that it could be good for the celebrities. It could be good for politicians. And we do set up like could be monitoring hour or a day or week, and that they do not necessarily have to find all the videos, image, or voices and download it and then upload it to our platform. This is more providing auto crawling detector. But as you can see on the very left, you can see manual detect. The manual detect means you can find the videos, download it, and you also can upload it, and then you guys can see the result whether that is fake or that is real, the content.
Yeah, that's really incredible. You know, I can already imagine that this will be great for protecting some brand IP, especially, you know, if you have an image you're trying to protect and there's just videos flying out all over the internet around you. It's kind of good to protect you from that and really know, like, am I going to talk to this person? Am I going to take this down? Am I going to speak to YouTube or TikTok and say, hey, there's a fake video? Well, you don't have to manually crawl through everything. So
Yeah, it's true. We frankly that delivered to our first customer was the Korean National Policy Agents that we delivered 2 years ago. That is in public. We can open it, but we currently have 4 clients, and the 2 clients that I can't share the names, but currently, yes, this is the proven and promising solutions that we already have delivered. And the 2 things that we can share is the customer is Korean National Police Agency, and one is NFS. So today was pretty brief demo that I shared with you. This is not yet for open and source, but we also have a plan that it will be open really soon. But any of the customer who wanted to see the real actual demos, please contact us. You guys can come to our website, deepbrain.io/deepfake detecting, and you also can send an email and give your inquiry to whether you want to see the demos, and we are happy to share and how it works.
Awesome. Is there any questions? I know we've been having a fun little chat and we've been having chats, but if there are any questions, please let us know. Otherwise, we'll just kind of give some closing thoughts. Cool. Well, yeah. All right, cool. Well, I think my big takeaway from this, and correct me if I'm wrong, Michael, is that this is going to be, you know, a tool in your toolbox to kind of make sure that you're able to stay ahead of these deepfakes. You're able to stay ahead of these, you know, kind of, you know, misinformation. I know that one of the things we didn't touch on as much was the audio component, and there was an example with, you know, a CFO who had their voice defaked, and then they essentially, an employee wired $25 million, and just having this kind of tool to say like, hey, this is deepfake, this is fake audio, don't listen to it, is going to be, you know, invaluable.
Right. Agree.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed our webinar. Please also check our last webinar that we also shared about the custom instant avatar. And stay tuned. There's another webinar we will do next November. One of our customers sharing their experience about how they really enjoying with using our AI studios, and sharing about what is their the thought of the generative AI solution as well. And thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.